Hey, what's up? It's Chris, founder of Thinkster.com, and in today's video I'm excited to show you the most interesting coding niches on Upwork. So actually here let's check it out on Upwork. So here is the Upwork app, and here I applied a very broad filter, searching only for developer. So I wanted to find like the most interesting, or actually like get a big picture, first impression on the most exciting opportunities on Upwork. So if you search for developer, and I applied some filters, so I only searched for developers like who made $60 and above and earned 10K on the platform. So these are some serious developers. So it's always good to look at some of the top people to actually find out what they are doing right and just copy it. Like, be a shameless cloner, copy what the best people do, and you will be successful yourself in all likelihood, right? So this is how you increase odds of success. Just copy what the successful people do. And you see, like, there are lots of people making like $100 per hour and more. Many people much more. What are they doing? Here you can just be a generalized Python software engineer, right? Creating super value with 100% job success score, like YC, and being a top-rated freelancer. Top-rated means you have high job success score, you have done a couple of gigs, and you enjoy trust, your clients like you, and then you become a top-rated freelancer. And if you are a top-rated freelancer, Upwork will actually increasingly recommend you to other clients that search for freelancers, skilled freelancers like you, and you can make $100 and more per hour over time as you gain trust and finish more and more value, create more and more value for clients. Okay, so you can be a general Python software developer. By the way, if you are interested in becoming a Python freelancer, then definitely check out the Thinkster Python freelancer course. So we focus on Python, but we also have like other programming language. This is the Thinkster freelancer course. It shows you how to reach like six-figure earning potential on Upwork. It is the world's #1 Python freelancer course, right? And the focus is on Python. The main programming language is Python, but we also have many other programming languages such as Solidity and JavaScript in the meantime, and we also have many Python libraries. We focus on machine learning, blockchain development and stuff. And we also and it also shows obviously the business skills. So it's more about, as a freelance developer, you are first and foremost a freelancer, and second, you are a coder, right? So you should create your business, and the business strategies and the marketing strategies and all these strategies, those apply to you as a freelancer. And the course costs $300, so it is meant to be to be paid back by your increased success as a freelancer. So if you increase your hourly rate by $10 per hour through the freelancer course, you can actually make and you work 10 hours per day, you can make your money back in 3 to 4 days, right? And obviously you can easily like double, triple your money if you in a month if the freelancer course actually proves to be successful to you, right? Anyway, so let's go back to the freelancers on Upwork. You can see like this second freelancer is a statistician. So he's actually a math guy who is involved in data analysis and data science. And this is some interesting niches. You can see a solution architect. So these are more like cloud guys, right? So in the cloud industry, obviously many companies have their own cloud or build their own clouds. Many companies use Amazon or Azure clouds, and people who are actually skilled in those type of DevOps skills that can also make like great money on Upwork. So let's go further. This is senior data scientist. So we already had data scientists. We have app developers. We have lead software developers, like only basic software developers, right? If you are a great software developer, you already can make this premium hourly rate. Mobile developers, again, we have web and mobile app developers. So web development, mobile development, Python development, data science. These are some interesting niches to be in. Rust, obviously, so in all programming languages we have them. We have sysadmin, C# developer, again Python, so it's actually the same guy. Good. Okay, so you see like there are some patterns. These are all web-based frameworks: Node.js, Rails, jQuery, Backbone. So we have lots of web development, obviously. Let's move on. we have front-end web developer, full-stack web developer, we have Java and Kotlin developer, again web developer, cloud developer and architect. So we have like the patterns are actually so let's go back to the video screen. So the patterns show that we have like one of the most exciting niches are in web development, and this includes web scraping, and we actually have also an academy course on Beautiful Soup, which is a Python web scraping tool. So web scraping is one of the most frequently requested type of gigs on Upwork. But then of course just web development and mobile app development, creating real applications in the web and real mobile applications, this can actually make you premium income, right? If you are a premium freelancer, right? You need to create premium value for your clients in order to charge them premium rates. If you just like create average value, you can also only expect to get paid averagely, right? As an average income. So this is just you are, as a freelancer, you are very close to the market, so you are getting paid what you are worth, and you are and this like is on the positive and on the negative side. On the positive side, if you increase your worth by actually joining these courses, by learning and lifelong improving, being involved in lifelong improving, if you're excited about these technologies, right? You read books, you're in the space that really excites you, such as blockchain development and web development and stuff, and Python development and data science and machine learning. So if these things are exciting to you and you want to learn them, you want to read books, you want to improve, become a better person, then freelancing is great, because now you can actually tap into the value creation. But if you are more lazy, you don't want to learn, you just want to chill out and relax, you actually don't want to create value, you just want to extract value from the world, then freelancing may not be the right industry for you, because you don't get this averaging anymore, right? If you are in a company, you get this averaging. So people who are highly productive actually get paid less, so that the people who are less productive get paid more, and all of them get paid approximately the same, right? So of course the people who are more productive get paid more on average, but it is not proportional to the additional value they create. So there's an averaging happening. So all employed people, they often are employed with a contract, and all other employees have the same contract, so they get paid at the same rate. And there's this averaging happening. So, but as a freelancer, there's no averaging anymore. You get paid the average of your own value creation, which is like there's no averaging. You are a one-person startup initially, at least, and later on, of course, you can hire more freelancers who actually help you with the work and become more an agency model and scale it up. And then there is some averaging happening there. But initially, there's no averaging. This also means that if you are a huge value creator and you are a learner, so you are a lifelong learner, you love learning and you love to actually develop new skills, then this is an exciting industry, right? Because you can tap into this whole value creation that you perform. Anyways, I think that's enough for today. Thanks for watching this video. If you like the video, give me a like, thumbs up, and I present those type of niches and small freelancing tips concerning Upwork freelancers and Fiverr freelancers daily. So check it out, give me a like, subscribe to our channel. Thanks to actually listen to the whole video, and thanks to being an active and loyal Thinkster member. Bye.